I'm a third-year aerospace engineering student here at Georgia Tech, and we are in the aero-maker-space right now. The AMS, as we call it, is in the Weber building, part of the AE quad, and we are one of a few maker spaces here on campus, and we're open to student users and public users to come in and make whatever they want with our machines. The AMS has a lot of capabilities, and we also support a lot of classes here at Tech. So students will come in to use our 3D printers, our laser cutters, our electronics station, as well as some of our tools in the back. In terms of some of our specifics of what we offer, we have a lot of Prusa Mark IVs, which are one of our more primarily used 3D printers, as well as some bamboo printers, so that can print in multiple colors and lots of different types of filament and materials. Behind me I have some of our Pro printers, which print a lot of our bigger build volumes. We've got some resin printers, which are also very special. Lots of really cool capabilities with those. We handle a lot of laser cutting, as well as electronics and soldering. And all of the tools and all the materials here are free to use for students. So just come in with whatever project you have and we'll help you out. The most special thing about the space is our community here. We're very warm and welcoming, and we love having users who've never used our tools before. So we're here to teach you about how to use the printers, the laser cutters, anything that you want to use here in the space. We hold trainings pretty much every week, and we also have events every month, so you can come by and just build something with us. So I encourage you to come by the space, stop by for a tour, we'll show you around and welcome you to the AMS.